If you're facing the challenge of TikTok Shop not delivering to your region, then you're in the right place. In this video, I've got a quick guide to help you sort that out in a snap. So first things first, check if there are any specific delivery restrictions for your region on TikTok Shop. Confirm that your TikTok account has the correct location by updating it in your profile settings, and double check the shipping address details to ensure accuracy. Next, if the issue persists, verify the availability of the specific item you want to buy. Some items may have restriction for certain region, so reach out to TikTok support for further assistance as they can provide insights into the limitation or guide you on how to proceed. So for the next one, you can try to explore alternative shipping methods or services for the product you desire. Different carriers or options might be available. Also, make sure that your TikTok app is updated to the latest version, as updates often include improvements related to shopping and delivery. Also, I just want to add that you may want to review TikTok Shop's terms and conditions, especially those related to shipping for any additional information about regional restrictions. And that's it. Following these steps should help troubleshoot and address TikTok Shop delivery issues in your region. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.